Hi guys, next one is Birdz Border. It is, as the name says, a border pattern. So it shows, it's inspired by birds on a wire. It shows step one, making these dots. I am not going to do that. I have no need for the dots. I don't get that personally. Okay, so step number one, you're going to do a sort of a upside down V. It's got a curve to it. One and down. And then you're going to connect another one and down. And another one, and so forth and so on. Okay, and then you're going to turn your paper around and you're going to do it again. So you have these kind of curvy diamond shapes in a row. Okay, once you have those curvy diamond shapes, on the top and the bottom of each of those, you're going to make a row of little spirals coming right off the tip of there and then going the other way. And then in the middle you can do an aura and a dot, and you're looking for this so it ends up like this. And then this one has they've done an aura around the whole thing. It's cute, but it's not rocket science, and I don't see the need for this step here. Just my own personal opinion. So I'm going to do it on a bookmarky size piece of paper. Shouldn't take too long. It's pretty straightforward and simple. I'm going to zoom in just a smudge just to make it pretty. I find my right pen. Okay, you're going to watch me work kind of sideways. I'm going to make myself a little ending spot with my pencil just so I know that I'm not going to go off the edge. So I want to do like that and like this, and then like this and like this, and like this and like this. Am I out of frame? Probably. Like that. And then come back and do it the other way. Turn it upside down and go like that. Like that. Super simple. Just like that. A row of curvy diamonds. And then we're going to put our little bird heads. Make them all go the same way. They don't all have to go this way. They could all go the other way. Doesn't matter. Do whichever way is easiest for you to draw. Probably out of frame again. Sorry. That's what happens when I have a really long piece of paper. I can't keep it in a frame. My frame isn't that big. Okay, I'm going to do a little subtracting of my little pencil mark, and then inside each of here is meant to have a aura and a dot. Super duper simple. And that's it. That's the pattern right there. We can be done, or we can embellish a little bit more. I think I'm going to embellish a little bit more. I'm going to use my brush pen, I think. Maybe. And I'm going to do like that. On like every other one. It's probably a bit much, but that's okay. That's where I started, so. Something like that, and then turn it around. Yeah, I was a little carried away with my brush, but that's okay. Okay. I do like that. Gives it a bit of a something. Perhaps I'll then do some kind of aura around this. You know, let's start here and go kind of around like that. That looks pretty like that, doesn't it? Okay. Okay. I think I want to actually fill this in dark in the middle. Oh, this was called Birdz Border. I want to put a name on it, and I'm going to fill in. I'm actually going to fill in the middle. I think I want that darker. It's more dark. Yeah, I like that better. Now the question is, do I want any graphite shading, or do I want to just leave it? Or do I want to use some white and highlight? Because I am on the tan paper, I could do that. I think that's what I want to do. I don't think I'm going to do any shading per se. I think I'm going to try the white and just highlight this little swirl. Just a little bit. Oops, got a little carried away there. So I've been working on packing, starting packing. I still have another week, but I'm starting packing. Getting ready for our cruise in March, second week of March. We will be on the Mexican Riviera cruise for our 35th wedding anniversary. Going with a couple, two couples, some friends that are super fun folks, and they also are celebrating some anniversaries. 25th and 20th or something like that. Anyway, we're going to have an anniversary celebration, the 6 of us. So we're going to have fun. And I'm starting to get my stuff ready to pack because, you know, I'm like that. I got to be prepared. All right. Oops, I should do it this way because you can kind of read it better like that. I think I'm done. This was fun. Super simple. Easy to do. Would be a great border around your tile or like this, just on a bookmark. It's lovely. All right, I will see you Friday. We're going to do double blooming butter. And I will see you then. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.